Have you ever looked at old science fiction movies and thought, hey, where are our flying cars? It's a fun thought, but the future that science is actually building is so much more incredible, more intricate, and more impactful than just a traffic jam in the sky. It's a future being written right now, in labs and research centers around the world, and it promises to reshape everything we know about life, the universe, and our place in it. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a journey into the world of tomorrow. A world powered by today's most groundbreaking scientific discoveries. This isn't science fiction. This is the science of the future. Let's start with something that affects us all, our health. The future of medicine isn't just about new pills, it's about personalization. Imagine a treatment designed specifically for your unique genetic makeup. This is the promise of genomics and technologies like CRISPR, instead of a one-size-fits-all approach. Doctors will be able to target diseases at their source, our DNA. Genetic disorders that were once a life sentence could potentially be corrected before they even manifest. And it doesn't stop there. AI is becoming a superpowered assistant for doctors, capable of analyzing medical scans with a precision that can surpass the human eye, detecting diseases earlier and more accurately than ever before. We're also seeing the rise of smart implants and wearable sensors that monitor our health in real time, alerting us to potential issues long before we feel any symptoms. This isn't about just living longer. It's about living healthier, more vibrant lives. The hospital of the future might not even be a building, but a network of data and personalized care that follows you wherever you go. Now, let's zoom out from our bodies to our planet. One of the biggest challenges we face is creating a sustainable future, and science is at the forefront of this mission. The energy revolution is already underway. We're moving beyond just solar panels and wind turbines. Scientists are developing new materials that can capture energy more efficiently. Exploring next-generation nuclear fusion, the same process that powers the sun, which could provide a source of nearly limitless clean energy. Imagine a world where our power is clean, abundant, and cheap. It would change everything. In agriculture, we're seeing the rise of vertical farming, where crops are grown in stacked layers inside climate-controlled buildings, using a fraction of the water and land of traditional farming. This means we could grow fresh food right in the heart of our cities, reducing transportation costs and our carbon footprint. Science is also giving us incredible tools to combat climate change, from carbon capture technologies that literally pull CO2 out of the air, to developing new, biodegradable materials that can replace plastics. The goal is to create a circular economy, where waste is a resource, and our planet can finally begin to heal. But what about our digital world? If you think the internet changed things, just wait for the next wave. Artificial intelligence and quantum computing. AI is already all around us, from the recommendation algorithms on this platform to the navigation apps on our phones. But its potential is far greater. We're moving towards artificial general intelligence, or a GI and AI that can think, learn, and problem solve on a level comparable to, or even exceeding, human intelligence. An AGI could accelerate scientific discovery at an unimaginable rate, solving problems that have stumped humanity for centuries. From curing complex diseases to understanding the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. And powering this future will be quantum computers. Unlike traditional computers that use bits, ones and zeros, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. This allows them to perform calculations that would take a normal computer billions of years. They could revolutionize drug discovery, materials, science, and financial modeling. The combination of AI and quantum computing isn't just an upgrade. It's a paradigm shift that will redefine what's possible. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As we venture into this brave new world, we must confront profound ethical questions. With genetic editing, where do we draw the line between curing disease and designing traits? As AI becomes more intelligent, how do we ensure it remains aligned with human values and doesn't create biases or displace jobs on a massive scale? How do we protect our privacy in a world of constant data collection and surveillance? These aren't just questions for scientists and philosophers, they are questions for all of us. The future isn't something that just happens to us, it's something we build together. We need public discourse, thoughtful regulation, and a global conversation to ensure that these powerful technologies are used for the benefit of all humanity. Our technological progress must be matched by our moral and ethical progress. The challenge is to steer our scientific journey with wisdom and foresight, ensuring the future we create is one we all want to live in. So, where does this leave us? The future is a canvas, and science is handing us an entirely new set of brushes and colors. We might not have those flying cars just yet, but what we are getting is so much more profound. We're getting the tools to heal our bodies and our planet, the intelligence to solve our most complex problems, and the potential to explore the universe in ways we've only dreamed of. The pace of discovery is accelerating, and the world in 20 or 30 years will likely look as different to us as our world would look to someone from the early 20th century. It's an exciting and slightly intimidating prospect, but it's a reminder that we live in an extraordinary time. The story of the future is being written, one breakthrough at a time. Thank you so much for joining me on this glimpse into tomorrow. The future is a fascinating topic, and this is just scratching the surface. What scientific breakthrough are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey and want to explore more about the amazing world of science, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us create more content like this for you. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.